charitySPACE, a full-featured internet platform based on blockchain technology. Idea of the project. charitySPACE is a full-featured internet platform based on blockchain technology. It is a system built on the Ethereum platform smart contract, through which fundraisings of that currency are organized, the majority of which is donated to charities, orphanages, hospitals, and other charitable organizations that care about the welfare of others. In return for participation in the fundraising, a participant takes part in the prize draw. The first stage of the project takes account of intangible awards i.e. ETH and BTC pools. The next stage is the inclusion of material objects such as electronics or motorcycles and cars. Contract code is public. You make a donation. Send to us any quantity of cryptocurrency. We will give you a donation for charity. Everything is clear. The Ethereum smart contract source code is public. You can see what we are doing with your money at any time. Blockchain begins to do magic. We start collecting funds. We are beginning to collect financial resources to support needy people. Our contract is aimed at people who are just like you, the winner of the prize. The idea is to help the needy and reward people with good heart. Crowdfund ends after 7 days. We support the needy. You receive a reward. You have just won the lottery. You will receive a prize which represents 25% of the funds collected. We will charge 5% commission. As much as 70% of the funds will be donated to charity. How does it work? The internet platform, along with the mobile application, charitySPACE organizes charity fundraising and other charity events. A single collection is characterized by duration, example 7 days from the start of the collection, and the threshold for the minimum amount, soft cap, to be collected. Once the minimum collection amount has been exceeded, the system will collect the donated funds, and by the end of the duration, for example, at the end of the 7th day of raising, it will draw a winner from the donors. Once the collection period has elapsed and the soft cap is reached, the winner will be drawn. The prize is automatically transferred to blockchain's address of the drawn person. The remaining funds are transferred to the charitySPACE account. This amount, after ablation of own commission, is then exchanged into the fiat currency and publicly transferred to a charity. All costs associated with the stock exchange, taxes, and a possible turnover within blockchain/BTC are the concern of the charitySPACE. Why charitySPACE? We deeply believe that our experience and transparency of the charitySPACE business model guaranteed by the contract with an Ethereum blockchain will defend itself and convince you as investors about the equity of the investment. We are fully aware of the scale of ICO market surpluses and the scale of its deterioration by the promised and not implemented projects. Helping others is the highest priority for us. We help in private and in the vast majority through our existing work. Among us are people involved in IT project management with more than 10 years of experience working for multinational corporations, equally experienced programmers and software architects, information developers, specialists in user experience, and artists involved in the broad spectrum of graphic work. We are open to face-to-face contact. We speak a lot of languages and we are open to face-to-face contact. We travel a lot and share our passion at conferences and international trainings. We are professionally stable. However, we want to leave a trace in the cryptocurrency community as people who created a project by people, for people. We all have in common 2 passions. The first is a passion for building electronic products. The other is the passion associated with blockchain and cryptocurrency. Created by people, for people. The model of our project is so simple and clear enough that in response to the question why charitySPACE, we decided not to describe the project, but to describe us, as people, because this project is created by people, for people. We are deeply rooted in the idea of electronic money and we deeply believe that this community has the need to help others. We want to manage this with charitySPACE.